got to talk about Young Thug's lawyer. This guy is the GOAT. He was just held in contempt of court in the middle of an ongoing trial. But why? Here's the deal. Young Thug is on trial facing federal RICO charges. The government had an informant, a person who agreed to testify on behalf of the government. In exchange, he was granted immunity. The witness was. That means the witness was probably a criminal, had engaged in criminal acts. The government caught him. And in exchange for his testimony against Young Thug, the government granted him immunity from prosecution. So during the trial, the government calls this witness to the stand, and the witness pleads the fifth. He doesn't want to incriminate himself. However, he had been granted immunity. So he really had no Fifth Amendment right left. It was no longer necessary. So the judge held the witness in contempt and he put him in jail over the weekend. Well, come Monday, Young Thug's lawyer, Brian Steele, accuses the court of having an ex parte meeting with the witness who would not testify. Ex parte means that there was a meeting in front of the judge and not everyone was present. Apparently, the people that were present were the judge and the prosecutor and the witness, according to Brian Steele anyway. What happened is, apparently, or at least as alleged by Brian Steele, the judge and the prosecutor coerced that witness into testifying. They basically threatened him with more jail time. If he would not testify, he would be held in contempt. And so Brian Steele accused the court of having this ex parte communication, which was totally inappropriate if it happened. And the judge responded by telling Mr. Steele to disclose the person who told Mr. Steele that this ex parte meeting happened. I don't know whether the judge denied it or not, but the judge wanted to know who told Mr. Steele that the meeting happened, and Mr. Steele refused to make that disclosure, citing a number of concerns, including attorney-client privilege. What did the judge do in response? He held the lawyer, Young Thug's lawyer, in contempt and jailed him. He said he's going to put him in jail for 10 consecutive weekends. If that wasn't cool enough, Young Thug's lawyer's response: can I share a cell with my client so that we can prepare for trial? This guy's the GOAT.